presentation, AC-5 Red on teaching tools for machine learning. So please go ahead.
Hello, my name is Koku Ajay. I want to present my project. My project is AC-5 Red teaching tool for machine learning. CS7993 AI Capstone W01 Spring 2025 prototype presentation. I'm the only one member of my group. Okay, introduction to teaching tool for machine learning overview. What is Red-TTML? Teaching tool machine learning is a web-based application implemented to explore some machine learning algorithms. User can experiment, supervise, and supervised learning algorithm through visualization. For this version, I will focus on linear regression. What are the objectives of the project? Fill the gap between practical application and theoretical knowledge in machine learning education. Explore machine learning concepts by providing hands-on tools for student instruction and professionals. Provide easy interaction visualization for complex algorithms. Introduction, presentation outline. Obstacle in machine learning education. Reason traditional methods struggle or have difficult with learners' engagement. TTML solution. How TTML address the traditional approach challenges. Development process and architecture. Overview of the methodology, design, and implementation. Prototype demonstration, presentation of some page of the application. Challenge and lesson learned. Overview of difficulties faced during the implementation of TTML. Finally, the summary. Provide a free briefing of what is done. So I want to talk about the obstacle or difficulty in machine learning education. So the first obstacle is the challenge in understanding complex machine learning algorithms. Without practical experience, so machine learning algorithms are difficult to understand. Restricted interactive learning tools. Classical teaching tools are often characterized by lack of interactivity that reduce learners' engagement with the material. This causes minimal comprehension of machine learning concepts. Necessity for practical application. Machine learning passionates need hands-on experience to fully understand the concepts govern this field. So what solution these projects bring? Interactive visualization. TTML enable interactive visualization for machine learning algorithm. User can visualize how different parameters impact the results of many machine learning algorithms. Algorithm real-time execution. The web app offers to user the possibility to execute the algorithm in real-time manner and to adjust some parameters and provide the outputs. Easy to use interface. The design interface is intuitive and easy to navigate that make the platform more accessible for users with different levels of machine learning skills. What is the technical architecture of the TTML? For the front-end development or service, the interface is built using Streamlit for interactive and user-friendly front-end. For the back-end service, the back-end uses Flash to execute some algorithm and manage data. Visualization service, the real-time plots are generated using libraries like plotty.javascript and d3.javascript. For the development, I use Agile and Git methodology. For the Agile methodology, TTML is implemented with iterative development cycle and often reassessments related to user feedback. Version control. TTML is designed using Git and GitHub with structural branching. Testing technique. Integration testing, unit testing for individual and user acceptance testing to validate final version. How TTM work? So this example is for linear regression. Dataset upload. So I give the possibility to the user to upload the datasets. So the user will upload or select a preload dataset. Parameters adjustments. User can adjust the learning rates and the number of iterations with sliders. Real-time visualization. The plot is updated dynamically and show the line fits the data when the parameters change. Performance metric is to evaluate the accuracy of the model. Summary, achievements, develop a platform that makes easy machine learning education using real-time visualization. TTML is successfully implemented using linear regression algorithm. Closing statements, TTML has progressed changing, making machine learning education more engaging, accessible, and easy to understand and interactive. TTML, with its current progression and the incoming plan, it has a significant chance to become an important tool for learners such as students, instructors, and professionals. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. This is the point where the audience will clap. I have a couple comments really quickly, and then I'll stop the recording and we can have a short discussion. So
please, can I take a note of the comments?
It'll be recorded. This is all recorded right now. So.
Okay.
So let me just give you a quick. I also want to share the comments with the other people. So just a couple comments would be. First, I think the presentation was very well organized. I like the organization. It was very clearly organized. I like the motivation. You I think clearly motivated why we want something to go. You clearly talked about what are some of the drawbacks of kind of traditional machine learning teaching and learning methods, and you also argued for why something like this could offer something beyond what is offered in the kind of the traditional learning methods. So I thought that was good. I think you talked, highlighted some of the technology that you're using. And I think overall everything was very well organized.
Thank you.
One suggestion that I'm giving to everybody basically is to have more pictures and less text. This is just a personal preference. So this is just a subjective opinion. But I think more diagrams, more pictures. So like flow charts instead of outlines, right? You can show how these different pieces fit together. You can show a box that says the interface, and then you have Flask is in the background, and then you have the. So these things could be pictures. These things could be diagrams, like flow charts. One other comment, I think you said in the summary slide that you would have a demo, but I think we didn't see a demo here. So I'm not sure if a demo is ready, but it was mentioned in the introduction, the overview, but you missed it. So otherwise, I think it's a very well organized presentation. And for now, I can stop the recording.
Okay.